Hello friends, this is Sai Fernandra from SQL School and I assure you practical training classes step by step. If you wanted to upskill yourself, consider database technologies, either SQL Server or SQL Server with Azure Big Data Cloud Computing or Data Analytics Power BI. In our training classes, we'll be starting from scratch, right from the basics, understandable, useful, step-by-step, scenario-based activities. You see on my screen the 30-point checklist activities, 30 concepts, the mandatory prerequisites for a safe landing job, either for data engineers, data analysts, data scientists, BI developers, or SQL developers. Come on, what you are waiting for? Let's meet live. We have 3 upcoming schedules in this near future. March 28th, 8 a.m. or April 1st, 11 a.m. or April 14th, 6 a.m. There are 3 different schedules at 3 different times to suit your learning needs as per your comfort. 100% practical step-by-step classes. 100% real-time, scenario-based and no compromise. Trust me. Trust me. And I'm available for job clarifications, job assistance. We assure you practical step-by-step classes for every concept with concept-wise FAQs. And what more you're looking for? Come on, let's have a live demo class. Please call us today for the live demo registration, free demo webinar registration, as well as for course discounts. Thank you so much and see you there in the live class. Thank you. Bye-bye. Have a nice time. Thank you so much.